Which of the following represents a trans isomer? So cis and trans are terms that we can use for di-substituted cycloalkyl groups like this. So we can only use those terms for di-substituted we'll say cycloalkanes, and later on we will also see for alkenes that we can use this for di-substituted alkenes as well. But right now we're looking at cycloalkanes. So cis means both in the same direction. So that means that both of your substituents are either pointing up, so either both up or both down. And so that's what cis means. Trans means that they are pointing in opposite directions. So that would mean that one substituent is pointing up and one is pointing down. So what we need to do is just look at all of these options and see what angle these bonds are pointing at. So if we look at one, we see that this methyl group is angled down, so this is down. And this methyl group is angled slightly up, so this is up. So that means that one is trans. If we look at two, we see this bottom methyl group is pointing straight down, so it's definitely pointing down. And the top methyl group is angled slightly down, but that is still down. They are pointing in the same direction, so that would be cis. If we look at three, we see this top methyl group pointing up, and the bottom methyl group is angled slightly up. So those are pointing in the same direction, so that would be cis. And if we look at the fourth option, we see the top methyl group pointing straight up, the bottom methyl group pointing straight down, and so this is trans. And so we're asked to identify the trans isomers, so that is 1 and 4, so our answer is B.